Namaskar, I am Dr. Babasaheb Kharbas. You have developed my task 3, design of online real-time quiz. I used my quiz and the link I have created my quiz. It is shown here and it is shared with the student. During the design of this task, following steps I have followed. It is very difficult to put in 4-5 slides all the exercise I have completed. So I have mentioned the steps. Created profile on https://myquiz.org. Design real-time quiz for my course Electrical Estimation and Contracting. Total 35 questions were I have developed, each having 2 points. Then I have created a quiz. Then the link and quiz code I have shared with the students. Sharing options I have followed Google Class, as well as I have shared the link on WhatsApp of group of my students. Then this is a quiz created, Slingshot. It was scheduled on 14th of May at 10:30 and up to 11. So it is a real-time exercise. Earlier intimation was given to the student for more than 24 hours. Then finally, the end of quiz, I got the result from archive folder. I have assigned the words like excellent, very good, good for the students placed topper, second, third, like this. So these are the 10 number of first 10 students and their scores. This is a very nice experience I have, and I used to follow. I have designed one more quiz for the students, and very soon I am going to assign the work to the students. So I thank all the organizers, especially Dr. Ramesh Dayas sir, Head of Pharmacy Department, Argade sir, Kuldeep Bansod sir, and entire team of pharmacy from Government Polytechnic. Thank you. Thank you.